Hello everyone, how are you all doing? And a very warm welcome to you all in our today's video. Today we'll be talking about acupressure points for blood clotting. Before that, let us first know that what exactly is blood clotting and how does it occur. Our blood is normally in liquid form, but because of some reasons, if the blood starts to become solid, then it is called as blood clotting. Blood clotting is a necessary process in our body as it prevents us from blood loss during an injury. But if these clots form in the arteries or veins, then they can cause problems in the circulation of our blood, and which can be very dangerous and even life-threatening. Talking about risk factors, age is one of the issues which may cause blood clotting. If a person is smoking, he or she is having a habit of smoking, that can also cause blood clotting. Obesity or too much weight can also cause blood clotting. High medications, pregnancy, even if someone is having cancer problem, they may have a blood clotting issues within. Okay. One of the main reason is our sedentary lifestyle. As we are sitting continuously, we always tend sit for more hours because of our work issues. We work on the computer or phone, and we just basically have more time we sit, right? Because of that also there can be blood clotting issues. Okay. Another main issue, another reason can be if a woman is especially on birth control pills. Okay, that can also cause this problem. Before that, if you are not subscribed to our channel yet, then please do subscribe and do share this video with others so that they can also get this informative video. And if you want to join our WhatsApp group or Telegram group, then do click on the link in the description box. We will be talking about one single acupressure point today. Okay, single point treatment we will be discussing. So our point is on the back side of our hand on our index finger. So just below the first joint of our index finger, exactly in the center is this point. This point is called as triple warmer 5. Okay, so on this point what we'll do with the help of the back side of a jimmy, we'll press this point for 30 seconds to 1 minute properly. Okay, we'll press it properly and then we'll apply one buell magnet on this point. So we'll take a paper tape and we'll apply one buell magnet on this tape in such a way that the buell magnet's yellow side will touch the skin, and from the outside you can see the white side of the buell magnet. That means we need to tone the energy of this triple warmer 5 point. Okay, this point is bilateral, that means it comes on both the hands. So you need to apply the magnet on both the hands. You need to apply it for 8 to 10 hours, and whenever you will remove it, you need to throw the paper tapes away so that and bring both the magnets together so that they can energize themselves and you can use it again. Magnets do not expire and you can use it for lifetime. So do this treatment daily and you will definitely feel the results. Okay, so thank you so much everyone for today. If you found our video good, then please do like, share and subscribe my channel.